Everyone, this is Raam Kumar from Department of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering from SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to continue the lecture of TQM tools and techniques from the following the previous lecture. In previous lecture we have discussed about the Six Sigma rules and Six Sigma rules and regulation along with the procedure of the execution of Six Sigma. And here come the next quality tools or TQM tools, which is nothing but quality function deployment. In quality function deployment, there are 4 phases. The first phase will be production planning, second phase will be design deployment, third phase will be the process planning, and fourth phase will be the production planning. In this progress, we can able to attain the quality at every sector based on the process flow and based on the requirement of the customer. First, we are going to discuss about the product planning. In product planning, what are the contribution has to be carried out is vote of the customer, target value, competitive assessment, and technical dimensions, which is nothing but the trade-off factor. If a product we are planning for the production, we have to find the customer expectation in the commercial manner. We have to find the every aspect of the customer and every stages of the customer, from the childhood to the old age. We have to collect the data of the product which is required by the customer. So because if you are planning for a new product, if you are planning for any process of new development, the management of a company is ready to invest a huge amount. So the amount has the huge value, and the roles and responsibility of the new product development has to be carried out in a very high. So here comes the production planning. With the first process is vote of the customer. Based on the customer vote, we have to plan the product as per the expectation of the customer. Second one will be the target values. If the planning has to be carried out, it has to be progress in a sequential manner. So if the deadline has to be kept within a 15 days or within 1 month, it has to be attained. The planning has to be completed, and planning has to be process resolved within the target time. The last one will be the competitive assessment. If a new product is developed in a company, if new product is ready to launch by a company as per the customer expectation, the competitive assessment is the main progress through which we can able to find we can able to eliminate the competitor in the commercial growing industry. This is the 3 main sector which we have to carry out in the product planning. Then the design deployment. In design deployment, we have to find the 3 sector. The target value will be the common for all. So the second and third aspects will be the different. For the design deployment, technical dimensions and part characterization has to be carried out. If a product need to be designed, it has to be attain the process of manufacturing. It has to be work, it has to be a functional. It has to be technically viable, through which we can able to match the customer expectation from the previous process of production planning. And also we can able to retain the customer, and also we can able to reduce the competitor in the commercial sector of any product manufacturing. The third one will be the process planning. In process planning, if the product design has been finalized, if the product manufacturing has to be carried out and the product manufacturing process has to be carried out, it has to be concluded in the frequent manner. So if the product planning and the design deployment process has to be carried out in the practical manner while executing the production planning and the process planning. If the product process planning is not reliable when comparing to the designing of the product, then the designing of the production system is failure. So if you are planning the process if we are planning a process, it should be reliable, it should be attainable by the customer and also the management. Then the third one will be the production planning. In production planning, the target values is the basic factor for a day, for a month, or for any particular time radiation or time oriented process. So we need to be attain the time requirement. We can able to check the time requirement of the product manufacturing. So it has to be reach the customer as per the required time. If the customer expectation is the product should be delivered within today, so it has to be delivered in that manner. Otherwise the product if even the product quality is good, even the product brand is good, if the customer is not getting the product as per the expected time, it will be a loss one. So this is the one of the new management tool of the quality deployment function. So the quality function deployment process can be utilized for new product development and their oriented actions and their oriented process. Thank you.